This is our favourite feature. The Ultion Smart can automatically unlock your door when you walk towards it, just by having your phone on you. You don't have to touch anything. To enable this, go to the registered app, Devices, press Auto Unlock. Turn it on and set an activation radius. Then whenever you enter this zone, the door will be ready and will automatically unlock when you get within a few metres of it. This makes sure you're not unlocking your door as you walk around your home. It just happens the once when you enter the activation zone, leaving you free to walk around your home and garden without locking and unlocking your door. With Auto Unlock, it's like having your own doorman.